Imagine if I told you that a single vegetable could boost your heart health, lower your blood pressure, supercharge your brain, improve digestion, and skyrocket your energy levels, naturally. Sounds too good to be true. Well, meet beetroots. This vibrant, nutrient-packed superfood has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits, yet many people overlook its true power. Whether you're looking to improve your overall well-being, enhance athletic performance, or simply feel more energized throughout the day, beetroots might just be the natural solution you've been searching for. In this video, we're going to break down the science-backed benefits of beetroots and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum impact. Stick around because by the end, you'll never look at this humble root vegetable the same way again. Now, let's dive into the top health benefits of beetroots. 1. Supports heart health. Beetroots are packed with nitrates, which help improve blood circulation by widening blood vessels. This reduces strain on the heart, lowers the risk of heart disease, and improves overall cardiovascular health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular beet consumption significantly reduces the risk of heart-related issues. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer, increasing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Beetroots naturally help lower blood pressure thanks to their high nitrate content, which converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Research has shown that drinking beetroot juice can reduce blood pressure within just a few hours. Boosts brain function. As we age, cognitive function tends to decline, but beetroots can help keep your brain sharp. The nitrates in beets increase oxygen flow to the brain, enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity. Studies suggest that regular consumption may even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Improves digestion. If you struggle with bloating, constipation, or an unhealthy gut, beetroots might be the answer. They're rich in fiber, which promotes gut health, aids digestion, and prevents constipation. Plus, they help stimulate bile production, which supports liver function and detoxification. Enhances energy and stamina. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts swear by beetroot juice for a reason. It naturally boosts stamina and endurance. The nitrates in beets improve oxygen utilization, allowing you to exercise longer and perform better. Drinking beet juice before a workout can enhance performance, reduce fatigue, and speed up muscle recovery. How to consume beetroots for maximum benefits. To reap the full benefits of beetroots, try these simple and effective ways to add them to your diet. Drink beetroot juice. A glass of fresh beet juice in the morning can kickstart your day with a burst of energy. Add to smoothies. Blend beets with other fruits and vegetables for a nutrient-packed drink. Roast or steam them. Cooking beets enhances their natural sweetness while preserving nutrients. Grate into salads. Raw, shredded beets add a crunchy, nutritious touch to any salad. Make beet soup. Try a classic beet-based borscht for a hearty and healthy meal. Beetroots are more than just a colorful vegetable, they're a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your heart health, lower blood pressure, boost brain function, enhance digestion, or increase energy levels, this superfood deserves a place in your diet. Start incorporating beets today and experience the transformation for yourself.